In as well, Mr. Magic, it is not over until God says it's over. Like with TikTok, my TikTokers, in Patele, Thando. Abantu ade bathanda bathini wonke. Ngabathanda noma bacasukele abantu abantu.
Bayangithanda futhi nabenzami bangicasukela kodwa ngiya-understand nanokuthi kumele be-understand ukuthi nami kufanele ngisho into engingayithandi.
Okay.
So kumele bekwazi ukuthi kufanele ngikhulume into engingayithandi kodwa mina guys ngiyangithanda phela ukuthi nje kumele ngoba asi-act abanye abantu kumele bekwazi ukuthi
abantu babuza ukuthi no-act mhlawumbe nibhalele i-script yonke lona.
As-act asenze lutho kusokuyithina nje abanye abantu aba-understandi lowo manje sikwazi-ke ukufeyikha senze izinto engingasizona
kodwa ngithanda mina
kodwa hayi ngiyamthanda mina wama ungidlisa ipeni.
Guys, I'll show you what this. Oh my gosh, like,
People have been anticipating a breakup between reality TV stars Siyacela and Thando from ISENCANE LENGANE, which plays on Moja Love. People have questioned why the young wife hasn't left her husband, as he's allegedly been cheating, beating her and disrespecting her and her family. Thando said she will never leave her husband Siyacela because he fed her love potion.